Example number 2, log of x plus 6 to base 3 equals to 2 plus log of x minus 2 to base 3. Find x. So we are given log of x plus 6 to base 3 equals to 2 plus log of x minus 2 to base 3. And we are required to find the value of x. On collecting the like terms, we will have log of x plus 6 to base 3 minus log of x minus 2 to base 3 equals to 2. And from quotient rule, we will have log of x plus 6 divided by x minus 2 but to base 3 equals to 2. And from logarithm to index notation, we will have 3 raised to the power of 2 equals to x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. But 3 squared is the same as 9. So we will have 9 equals to x plus 6 divided by x minus 2. On cross multiplication, we will have 9 into x minus 2 equals to x plus 6. This is the same as 9x minus 18 equals to x plus 6. And on collecting like terms, we will have 9x minus x equals to 6 plus 18. This is the same as 8x equals to 24. Dividing by 8 on either side, we will have our x equals to 3. 24 divided by 8. This is the same as 3. But before you conclude, let's first test for whether our value of x equals to 3 satisfies the equation from the problem. So for x equals to 3, what do we have? Let's substitute for x in this equation. So we will have log of 3 plus 6 to base 3 equals to 2 plus log of 3 minus 2 to base 3. And 3 plus 6, that's a 9. So we will have log of 9 to base 3 equals to 2 plus log of 1 to base 3. But 9 is the same as 3 squared. So we will have log of 3 squared to base 3 equals to 2 plus log of 1 to base 3. And from power rule, 2 will become a coefficient of this logarithm. So we will have 2 log of 3 base 3 equals to 2 plus log of 1 to base 3. But from identity rule, log of 3 base 3 equals to a 1. So we will have 2 into 1 equals to 2 plus log of 1 to base 3. So we will have 2 equals to 2 plus, and from 0 rule, log of 1 to base 3 or log of 1 to any base equals to a 0. So we will have a 0 here. Therefore, we have 2 equals to a 2. And since the left hand side equals to the right hand side, therefore our value of x indeed equals to a 3. To best understand the basics, rules, and special cases in logarithm, check out this video. The full link is in the description. To support us, don't forget to subscribe to Outek Math, and for more examples, check out the links in the description. Otherwise, see you in the next.